Ignite was designed for ignition. Yeah, take off, blast off, lift off, elevation. I want to elevate my energy. I want to elevate my mental acuity. I want to elevate my musculature, my endurance, and my strength. This is an amazing tech, and this is one of those in the NuCalm catalog that seems like magic, because it seems impossible for me to listen to something yet feel a visceral physical reaction happening while I'm listening to it. So the tracks are 13 to 15 minutes long. They are instrumental, and you use them with a headphone. Now, there are two ways to do this. If I'm working out in the gym or I'm on the Peloton, I'm probably not going to do an over-ear headphone. I will do in-ear buds. Or it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I have to present or do something at 7 o'clock. It's been on my mind all day. It's kind of like an anchor, like, oh, I got to do that tonight. And my energy's starting to dip. I've had dinner. I've gone for my after-dinner walk with my family. I'll put headphones on and Ignite and activate that energy so that I'm present and I'm at my best to perform at my peak at 7 o'clock at night. So with headphones over ear when I'm not working out for an energy boost that's non-drug, that's not medication, and it's cortisol and acid in my stomach and sugar and all that stuff, or in-ear buds. Ignite was brought to market in 2016, but you didn't have access to it unless you were an elite military operator or professional athlete. So 998 elite military operators or professional athletes signed an NDA and had private confidential access to this technology from 2016 to 2021. And we finally launched it to the public. It's been met with incredible enthusiasm because we love energy. We identify with energy, and it'd be nice to have energy that's, not medication-based, supplement-based, or caffeine-based. Ignite to ignite you.